Hey guys, Satyajit Pattnaik here and welcome back to my channel. And finally the time has come. We are going to do an announcement on Open EDA contest. I hope everybody remembers about the Open EDA contest, which was announced a couple of days back, I believe 2 weeks back. And enough time was given to people to explore on a lot of use cases, right? Literally speaking, I got more than what I expected. I wasn't expecting so much responses, but I received more than 45 assignments. 45 people have actually worked on this particular contest. I'm really happy with that. We'll be talking about each one of them in a separate video, but this video is specific to the announcement. So let's get started. Now, as I told you that 45 people had applied for this contest, which was overwhelming. And I was really happy. Judgment was the most important decision and it was very tough for me. That was the reason why I had invited a couple of more people to judge. Trust me guys, winner of this particular contest could be anyone. Doesn't matter if you win or lose, what matters is you learned at the end of the day. And my main motivation or main idea behind these kind of contests is to challenge you so that you can pick up some task, do some learning activity, do some activities which is out of the box, challenge yourself and come up with something. And I'm pretty much sure people who have submitted this, they will be really happy with their performance. And now the time is for the open announcement. Before the announcement, I would like to thank to all the judges. I will not be able to name them because of some constraints, because of their privacy constraints, but there were people from different companies. There were people from Nvidia, people from British Telecom, people from Amazon, people from Facebook. So these are all my friends and my connections, and they have actually evaluated your reports. And out of the 45 submissions, exactly there were 47 submissions to be very precise. There were some people who did multiple submissions as well, which is okay, accepted, because it's not like some contest where we have strict rules and all those things. So I'm okay to receive multiple options, multiple reports, multiple submissions. So we judged based on some submissions, and trust me, out of those 47, it was really difficult to find the top 3. Now, as I had already told you that we will be giving, we don't know if we are going to give it to one guy or if we are giving the prizes to 3 guys. But as we can see, finding top 10 was tough, finding top 5 was tougher, and finding top 3 was the toughest decisions. If you are liking my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with a lot of such contests in the near future. One just disclaimer, Power BI contest is ready. Power BI contest video is ready. A new announcement is going to come again with the same prize pool, because I don't have sponsors, guys. I'm just giving it out of my pocket and I want the community to learn. In these kind of contests, as we already know, that it's a win-win to all, right? For you, you are challenging yourself, you are coming up with a lot of ideas, you are coming up with some lot of unique projects. It's a value addition to you. You are getting some money as part of the contests. I'm getting contests and my audience is getting contents as well. So it's a win-win for all. Okay, now moving back to the video, moving back to the concept, moving back to the main topic. Who are the winners? Trust me, as I told you, I initially planned for top 3, 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000, but choosing the third rank was really difficult for me. So there is a tie for the third rank. Okay, individual projects, top 3 projects, or you can say top 4 projects, will be showcased on my channel in the upcoming days. But getting down to top 3 or top 4 was really difficult. And trust me, so there is rank 1, rank 2. In rank 3, there is a tie. From rank 4 till rank 10, the scores are very similar. It's just a difference of 0.5 or 1. That's it. And it's so close call. It was really a nightmare to finally come to a conclusion. But finally, we are here. We'll start talking about the third rank holders, the bronze medal winners. Of course, what money I'll be sharing them. So what I'm planning is to give 5 to 1.5, 1.5, something like that. I think that should be okay. And for Power BI and in our next upcoming contests, I'll try to increase the prize money a little bit, and I will also try to give a specific use case so that you all are not confused and judgment will be better. Okay, now coming back to the winners, a very round of applause to all the winners. I am really happy that you all submitted your work. I'm really happy that you have invested a lot of time in this kind of contests. And here we go. Our first contest winner is going to be Mr. Jay, and he had submitted a EDA contest on HR projects, and his submission was a Power BI report. So this is how you can see, this is how your report looks like, and there will be a detailed video on these projects as well. So many project videos coming soon. So Mr. J, who is a third place holder, it was really difficult for me to judge, as I already told you, and you can see these are his work. Very concisely done. He has done it very well. All the visualizations, the way he has represented the data, it's amazing. Okay, we'll have a detailed analysis on a different video. So let's move on to the next third place holder, which is a tie with Jay, and he is none other than Kenny. Kenny D is another person who had submitted 3 reports, and out of the 3 reports, his automobile dataset EDA has actually won a prize. Welcome, Kenny, and a lot of congratulations to Kenny and Jay for winning the third prize. I'm really happy. As you can see, this is how his report looks like. He has actually used a theme. You can see it's a black and white theme. I really like the concept, and his interpretations, his way of writing this report was really good. However, his other projects were not that up to the mark, but it was a good try as well. So Kenny, congratulations. And Jai, congratulations as well. Now, from the third place, we will move on to the top 2. So if you are thinking you are in the top 2, just hold your patience. We will be announcing the winner soon. And here goes the second rank winner, the silver medalist. He is none other than Onkar. Onkar, he has done an analysis on impact of COVID-19 blue bike services. And his report, his presentation, his way of doing EDA was really, really good. Trust me, it was awesome. It was awesome, guys. You can see the way he has represented the data, introduction to blue bikes. Of course, as I told you, there will be a separate video for this one. But congratulations, Onkar. I'll just quickly walk through his EDA, and this is what his EDA report looks like. I hope everybody knows about EDA. EDA is exploratory data analysis, and very detailed analysis has been done. And at the end, he has also done the insights. Impact of COVID on blue bikes, findings from EDA. Insights has been gathered. What is the impact? Top 5 most used and bottom 5 least used start stations of 2019. Impact of COVID on blue bikes, findings from EDA. So a detailed video will be there soon. Congratulations, Onkar. Now, moving on to the final, to the winner, to the gold medalist, to the one who has done a great job, who has outperformed. He has done a great job. Trust me, he was an intern with me 2 years back, but it's not on that basis how I selected him. As I told you, there were multiple judges, including me. There were 5 judges, and based on that, he has won the first prize, and his name is Shiva Krishna. And you can see this is how his EDA report looks like. Of course, a little bit traditional, but very detailed and very well done. You can see report for BFSI domain bank marketing. His name is Shiva Krishna. I know him since like quite a long time, 2.5 years, 3 years. And of course, he's not a newbie in the market. He's already working as a data scientist, and he has a lot of experience as well. And you can see this report. It's actually in format of a book, and I really liked it. Part 1, project background about the data cleaning, exploration of data, statistical analysis. Lot of insights has been given, a lot of information has been given, very detailed analysis. You can read through this analysis. It's very detailed. I'll be uploading all these materials in the GitHub repositories as well, where I will showcase the rank holders. Of course, top 3, not beyond that. And we'll also have other videos as well. So these are all the analysis which has been done by Shiva. Very detailed analysis, and it's format of a book. I mean, I really liked it. 2 sample t-test, how to perform multicollinearity. And a lot of judges were really happy with the way he has done this report, and definitely managers would love to see these kind of reports. So this is all about this particular video announcement, and I have certain amount of reports as well for special announcements. Like there are some special announcements for people who had done really well, but they were not able to win the prize. But everybody is a winner. Trust me guys, everybody is a winner. It's not all about winning a prize. You have challenged yourself and you have come up to this level. I'm really happy for all of you, and really happy that you spent some of your time in providing me these reports, working on certain amount of EDA work. Really happy on that part. Now after this, our next topic is going to be the special announcements for people who have actually done a great job. They missed out by just few points. I really like their the detailed analysis as well. So I would like to showcase those reports as well. So they are also winners. Unfortunately, they will not be able to get some cash prize, but I'm pretty much sure that they would be really happy with their work. So one of them was 𝒆𝒏𝒏𝒏𝒏𝒏. You can see a very unique, on a uniqueness level, complete 10 marks to him. It was very unique. He has done a detailed analysis on different followers on some of the Instagram and some of the social media accounts. Very detailed analysis, very well done as well. But somehow he just lagged behind few points, just 0.5 or 1 point. But a special mention. Very well done, Ishwar. I would love to see your future work as well. And I would love to see your engagement in my future contests as well. So very well done. And next mention is going to be to Vidya Pokharel. You can see this is again a very good EDA report, prediction in market volatility. Especially, we'll also have a video on this one because I even like this concept, and very well done, Vidya. Again, a round of applause to Vidya. And you can see a very detailed report. So moving on to the third special mention, who was very close and couldn't win, and his name is Shikhar Saxena. He has done something related to cybersecurity, data breach, and this is what his reports looks like. Of course, all these reports will be provided in the GitHub repository. You will find the link in the description below. So that's it about today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this contest. I enjoyed a lot. I got a lot of projects as well from all of you, and especially all these things are coming up on my YouTube channel slowly. So a lot of contents coming soon, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. That's it. Signing off. Bye bye.